Let's practice for that perfect Band 9 IELTS speaking interview. Introducing ourselves, Part 1 topic, jewelry, Part 2, talking about a creative person, and Part 3, discussing arts and crafts. Pay attention to the underlined vocabulary and check the definitions in the video description below. Let's begin. Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. Let's begin. May I see your identification? When introducing yourself at the start of the speaking section, be sure to use polite, professional, and full sentences. Follow these subtitles, such as stating, "My given name is Hannah and my surname is Olanu. Please call me Hannah." Or, "Certainly, here's my passport. Please have a look." "Yeah, sure" is just too colloquial when answering this question with an examiner. Be sure to present yourself in this way and get those high scores. What is your full name? For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Where do you live? What do you like about your home? Let's talk about jewelry. Do you like to wear jewelry? What is your favorite type of jewelry? Always include explanations for your answers. Like in this case, when asked about your favorite jewelry, the response is, "If I had to choose, I would choose earrings because they are pretty and easily seen." Explanations create fluency, vocabulary resource, and higher scores. Where is a good place for you to buy jewelry? If you could make a piece of jewelry, what would it be? Have you ever got jewelry as a gift? If yes, what? Have you ever bought jewelry for another person? That is the end of part 1. We will now continue with part 2. Always reflect the grammar of questions. In this case, present perfect. Have you ever bought jewelry for another person? Yes, I have. I have bought jewelry both for my friends and my family. This shows grammatical range and accuracy, again, helping to increase your band score. Be sure to practice with your peers by clicking the Student Partner Speaking Practice in your My Student account. When you're ready, book a full assessment speaking interview by clicking the Interview Practice Speaking button in your account. Now, on to part 2. For this part, I will show you some questions. You will have 1 minute to read these. Think about your answers. You can take notes in this time if you wish, and then you will have 1 to 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Talk about a creative person whom you know. Your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking. Your time is up. I will stop you there. Please put the notepaper to the side, and we will now continue with part 3. When talking about a person for part 2, it is important to describe their appearance and then talk about their personality backed up by action. Of course, you have to pay attention and make sure you answer the specific questions on the cue card. They're not just there to guide you. You have to answer these specifically. In this case, the response is about Ami, a creative musician. At first, Ami is described as a small framed person, giving a visual picture of what Ami could look like for the listener. Then, she is described as hardworking, writing her own songs and creating albums. By following these steps, you can create a structured story about a person that gets those high band scores. Make sure to practice this. You can send us your Part 2 response to this email address, also in the video description, for a free band score estimate. Now, on to Part 3. For this part, I will ask you questions related to the topic of Part 2. Let's talk about creativity. What are some different ways that people express their creativity? Which of these is the most valued by society? Make sure and pay attention to the singular or plural aspect of questions. This Part 3 question is asking for multiple answers. It asks, what are some different ways people can express their creativity? Different ways. So you have to mention at least 2 to 3 and then give an explanation. In this case, also connecting and referencing Part 2. One way a person can express their creativity, like Ami, is through music. Another way is through dance or painting. The examiner is listening for this level of accuracy to get those band 7, 8, 9 scores. Try answering this question. In what ways can people express their creativity? Record your answer as an MP3 and send it to this email address to collect a badge. Collect 3 badges to earn free 10 minutes of speaking interview practice with a native English speaking tutor. To see the rest of this lesson and for more videos like this one, including original practice exams, a fully interactive course, and an app for your phone, visit and join our Premium IELTS package at aehelp.com. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Use the code CREATE9 for an additional 10% discount. We are an IDP affiliate, a British Council partner, an IELTS test registration center, and I'm a certified British Council agent. Just check out what this student has to say.
Tomorrow on 19th September, I'm flying to UK. As 22nd of September, my course is going to start. Finally, my dream is going to come true. I'm super excited as I will have exposure of another continent. On the other hand, having butterfly in my stomach. All the best to A-Help support and million of thanks for supporting me, getting my dream come true. Adrian, I never ever met a mentor like you. Wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Take a look at a student from Ghana answer these questions at a high band level in the upcoming video. Begin learning for success. Join our premium package now. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.